Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the show where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating realm of glass sponges. These incredible creatures have been filtering the oceans for millions of years, and their unique characteristics make them a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. To start, let's define what glass sponges are. They belong to the class Hexactinellidae, a group of marine sponges that are characterized by their glass-like skeletal structure. This skeleton is made up of silica spiculae, which are arranged in a specific pattern to provide support and protection for the sponge. But what makes glass sponges truly remarkable is their ability to filter tiny particles from the water, using a complex system of canals and chambers. Glass sponges have been around for over 200 million years, with fossil records showing that they've remained largely unchanged since the Triassic period. They were first scientifically documented by the Swedish botanist and zoologist Carolus Linnaeus in the 18th century. Since then, researchers like Ernst Haeckel and Libby Hyman have made significant contributions to our understanding of these fascinating creatures. From a scientific perspective, glass sponges are classified as part of the phylum Porifera, which includes all sponges. They're found in oceans around the world, typically in deep-sea environments where the water is cold and nutrient-poor. But despite these challenging conditions, glass sponges have adapted to thrive in these ecosystems. For example, they've developed a unique relationship with certain species of bacteria that live inside their tissues, providing them with essential nutrients. One of the most fascinating aspects of glass sponges is their ability to form complex relationships with other organisms. They provide shelter and food for a variety of creatures, from small fish and crustaceans to other invertebrates, like sea stars and sea urchins. In return, these inhabitants often help clean the sponge or provide nutrients through their waste. For instance, some species of shrimp have been known to live inside glass sponges, feeding on the particles that the sponge filters from the water. Research has also shown that glass sponges play a critical role in maintaining the health of our oceans. They help to filter out excess nutrients and sediments, which can harm other marine life. And because they're so efficient at filtering tiny particles, they're able to remove even the smallest amounts of pollutants from the water. For example, a study published in the journal Marine Biology found that glass sponges were able to remove up to 90% of particulate matter from the water, making them an important part of the ocean's ecosystem. Unfortunately, like many marine ecosystems, glass sponges are facing environmental challenges. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing are all threats that can impact these delicate creatures and the habitats they create. Rising ocean temperatures, for example, can cause glass sponges to grow more slowly or even die off, while pollution can damage their fragile skeletons. It's a sobering reminder of our responsibility to protect these natural wonders for future generations. In addition to their ecological importance, glass sponges have also been found to have significant implications for human health and industry. Researchers have discovered that they produce unique compounds with potential antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds could lead to the development of new medicines and treatments for a range of diseases. For example, a study published in the journal Nature found that a compound extracted from glass sponges was able to inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells. As we explore the world of glass sponges, we're reminded of the importance of conservation and sustainability. By protecting these creatures and their habitats, we're not only preserving the health of our oceans, but also ensuring the long-term survival of our planet. This is why it's essential to support organizations and initiatives that work to protect marine ecosystems and promote sustainable practices. In conclusion, glass sponges are fascinating creatures that play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our oceans. Through their unique skeletal structure, adaptability, and complex relationships with other species, they contribute to the rich biodiversity of our planet. As we continue to learn more about these incredible organisms, we're reminded of the importance of protecting our natural world for future generations. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.